students right now. I can only
I
see
can
like,
see you, teacher.
I can only see like black.
I can see teacher, but she's blurry a little, like laggy. All of the other classmates are, some of them are black.
Everyone freeze. Everyone freeze.
Yeah, everyone freeze.
Adrian's now not black, but Dylan is still black. Oh, everybody's turning black still.
Everyone is
I am here.
frozen.
Yeah. But
I guess there is really something wrong with the internet today.
not
Maybe because of the storm last night, because it made some alarms like ding, ding, in my mom's phone.
Yeah, I guess.
And it's cat. Now you're lagging, teacher. Your face is lagging. Your background.
eagle.
Yeah. Actually, I don't have a
So
good
when you're
internet
gonna,
connection today.
so teacher, when are you gonna? Did you already chat our mom that we're gonna do Chinese class and extend the time?
No. Okay, so I guess it's getting okay now. But still, I can only see only few students. Like the rest, they have this black screen.
Are we not able to do this class?
Filipino.
This time, it's Filipino time. Kaya tayong lahat ay magtatagalog na ngayon.
Okay. Lagi. Okay.
Okay, noong nakaraang araw, tayo ay nagtalakay tungkol kay Carlo at Felix. Diba? Can you still remember?
Yes, Carlo and Felix the story. I still remember that story.
Si Carlo at si Felix. Ngayon ay ang tatalakayin naman natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pagsagot ng mga aktibidades or activity sa LMS. Okay, so this time we're going to answer the activity in the LMS. Okay, so last time we had okay, so here you have ang story tungkol ni Carlo at Felix, at ngayon ay ang ating gagawin ay sasagutin natin ang activities na nasa LMS. Okay? So, let's go and let's answer. Kindly open your LMS and please prepare a pencil and a paper, bond paper, a clean bond paper.
Okay.
LMS.
Prepare your pencil and your clean bond paper. Clean bond paper.
Seat work number 3.
No, this
Seat
one.
work number 3.
Sit work number 3. The lower or bottom part of your...
Okay, everybody's frozen.
Number 3.
Sit work number 3.
Okay, okay. In wait, we're Filipino. Ang basa at Teacher, I'm going to get my pencil upstairs.
Okay.
Sheet work number 3. Teacher, I can't find sheet work number 3.
Sheet work number 3 is in the lower part of the LMS.
I found it. Found it. Teacher?
Yes.
Teacher?
Yes, what is it?
Teacher? Teacher, which seat work? Because I couldn't hear you. I was lagging.
Sheet work number 3.
Number 3, okay.
Sheet work number 3.
The one with the butterfly, teacher?
Yes.
I'm ready over here.
Okay, so I want you to get bond paper and pencil or pen.
What?
If you have.
I don't understand this. Bond paper and pencil? Teacher, bond paper and pencil?
Yes, bond paper and pencil, but if you're done answering that in module, it's okay.
At the pencil.
No. No, that's correct. No, the one the teacher asked.
Listen.
Yeah, of course.
How are we gonna understand it? Bond.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is, in your bond paper and pencil, or using the bond paper and pencil, I want you to draw the butterfly. I want you to make it big because you're going to do the following activity. That includes
Okay.
that includes the following. This one, wait. Answering the questions regarding.
Teacher, I will try my best to make a butterfly because I don't know.
It's okay. You can make another design if you want.
I can draw a butterfly. So that's
You can make another design if you want.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try. It's now. I'll do it now. I'll do that now. Where's your Wi-Fi? Diana, are we gonna start making ready? Butterfly.
Okay, you can aside from the butterfly, you can choose another design. Like example, this one. Let me share my screen if I can do it now. Can you see my screen? Hello?
No. Yes, I can see it now.
Yes, you can color if you want. Good example, this one, you can use this as a design?
Girl.
A girl. You have here pamagat. What is pamagat? Pamagat is title.
Title.
Okay, you have here pamagat as title. And then another one, tauhan. What is tauhan?
Character. Character. Character.
Okay, characters in the story. Then tagpuan. What is tagpuan?
Middle.
Setting.
Setting.
You have setting. And then problema. What is problema? Problem. You have the problem. Then you have the solution or solution.
I'm glitching.
Huh?
Teacher, I disconnected teacher. What will I do? Teacher Diana, I'm glitching. I don't know what I'm doing. Teacher, I'm disconnected.
What do you mean glitching?
Lagging.
Oh, you're lagging? I'm lagging? Zach?
Teacher, I'm disconnected. I'm not sure what we're saying.
Okay, so in your module, Zach, you actually have the activity, the sit work number 3, right?
I have the model.
All you have to do is just still the same. You're gonna use the graphic organizer, this one, just like for example, and you have to give the following: the pamagat, which is title, characters, tauhan, tagpuan, setting, problem, problema, and the solution, which is the solution. All you have to do is just read the story and then give the following and make graphic organizers, just like this one. Example, this one is a given example for the graphic organizer. Yes, you can draw a flower if you want. Yes, you can color if you want.
Or can I draw a teacher in the bond paper?
Yes, you can draw it in the bond paper.
Okay, I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna draw something. Teacher, they have to write the. What will I do? Wait.
So the story can be found, if you're not using the modular, the story can be found in the LMS. It's just right there. And then, when you're done reading the story, you will then proceed making the graphic organizer like this one. And then you write the following. You can use any design. You can use anything that you want. This is one of the example. So you have
my
here
butterfly.
pamagat, which is
butterfly.
title, tauhan, characters, and then you have the problem, tagpuan, setting, problem, and the solution. Abigail, are you starting right now?
I'm starting.
How about Rizel?
I'm starting. Sir, what will I do? I disconnected.
So So what you're gonna do
Teacher, I
is
can
read the story in the LMS. Cannot see it, Abigail, because I can only see the black screen. Something wrong with the internet today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, not drawing my butterfly, teacher.
Okay, so if you're done drawing the butterfly, you then start making the parts of the story. So you have here in the screen title, characters, setting, problem, and solution.
We're gonna write it in Bisaya or English.
Tagalog. You have here the pamagat, tauhan, tagpuan, problema, solution.
Butterfly.
What is it?
Teacher, if the story is named Silito,
Huh?
if the name like the story is Silito, is it the name of the story? I mean title.
Silito? What did you say, Zach?
Yeah, is it the title of the story?
The title in the story is in...
Is the title of the story Silito?
Silito.
Module, sorry, alam.
Huh? Zach, you're lagging, Zach. What did you say?
Okay, I said okay.
Okay.
Taito, silito, silito. Silito ay batang kalasgit isang araw maagang umawi mula sa paaralan si Ginang Hunter narinig. Teacher, can I just write? Because it's hard to draw. All my drawings have to be big. I'm used to drawing small.
What is it, Eliza? Eliza? Abigail? What is it, Abigail?
Can I just like write it, because when I draw it, I can't fit it all. I can't draw big. I'm used to drawing only small stuff.
You can just like draw a circle if you want. So if you will just write it, it means you're not using the graphic organizer. Then how can I give you scores with that? So you can just like draw. Example, you just have to make a drawing like this, like, or draw a square. Wait, I'll show you. Example, this one, square. You draw a square, and then you draw another square. Then draw another square. You just have to make it bigger. Then you write here the title, the problem, the setting, the solution.
Teacher.
And then you just have to connect it. Just connect like that. You can just connect it like that.
Okay.
I'm done.
Where is your work, Alessandra?
What work?
You're done? Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
If you're done, it's okay.
Napamagat isilito.
My butterfly. Same the one as the 11.
Silito.
Okay. I'm just
Silita.
Isang araw, one day, he went at home from the school.
Sir, what was happening again?
Are you done with the drawing? Hello?
Hello.
Are you done with the drawing?
Yes, I'm done with my drawing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so if you're done with the drawing, those who are still asking, kindly go to your LMS. In your LMS, you can see the seat work number 3. And then you check the seat work number 3, you can see the story. So here you have
But how do we?
the story of Lito. Wait. Here. The story is in here. For those who are asking. It's in your LMS. You can see it in the LMS. The story is here, si Lito. Okay, so as what you can see, there are questions below. Ano ang pamagat ng kwento? What is the title of the story? Saan ito nangyari? Where it happened? So you have here, you can see in the drawing, there is a tauhan, tagpuan, problema, solusyon. Then you also have here the pamagat, the title. Okay? So, let's go over now. You have the story, si Lito. Si Lito ay batang palasagot. Isang araw, maagang umuwi mula sa paaralan si Ginang Santos. Okay, so Lito always answered. One day, maagang umuwi mula sa paaralan si Ginang Santos. Ginang Santos went home early. Narinig niyang sinisigawan ni Lito ang kasambahay. She heard Lito shouting to his neighbor. Pinagsabihan niya itong pumasok sa kwarto at kinausap. She told Lito to ask to go to his room and they talked. Paglabas nila ng silid, when both of them came out of the room, pinuntahan ni Lito si Lita na kasambahay at humingi ng paumanhin. Lito went to Lita and asked for forgiveness. So, this time, I want you to answer the question here. Ano ang pamagat ng kwento? So, ano ang pamagat? What is the title of the story? Saan ito nangyari? Where it happened? Sino-sino ang tauhan sa kwento? Sino-sino ang tauhan sa kwento? Who are the characters in the story?
Si Lito at si Lita.
Just write your answer in the paper. And then number 5 question, paano ito nabigyan ng solusyon? Okay? Paano ito nabigyan ng solusyon? So how did they solve the problem? Alright, so for this one, you can just take a picture of it and then you send it to my email so that I can check. Okay, do you have any questions with the activity?
No.
Who are still struggling? Who are still struggling with the Filipino? Hello? Aldez?
Hello.
Yes.
Are you answering, Aldez?
I was still making my...
Okay. How about Eliza and Johan? Eliza? How about Nathan and Daylan?
Yeah, I'm struggling.
Okay. Byron? Byron?
I'm answering picture.
Okay.
Where am I gonna send this? Where am I gonna send this?
Rizel, are you still answering?
No, I'm done.
Oh, you're done. Okay, if you're done, you just have to take a picture and then send it to my email.
Okay.
Okay. How about Nina, Adrian, Sophia? Are you done?
I'm answering. Not yet.
All right. So